How to use Dsers with Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can add and use Dsers with Shopify. So when you guys are logged in into Shopify, after that, click on the bottom left where you guys see Add Apps. And then after that, you guys are going to see Dsers over here. If you guys don't see it, simply click on Shopify App Store. And then after that, that's going to take you guys over here. Type in the search bar Dsers. And then once you guys type in Dsers, you guys will see Dsers come up. So click on Dsers, AliExpress dropshipping, click on Add App, and then this particular application is going to be added to your Shopify store. So I've clicked on Add Application, and now it's going to take just a few seconds, and then after that, I can just simply install the application on my Shopify store. So let's give it a few more moments. So once it has successfully installed, well, then after that, I will be able to see it in the bottom left of my store. So when I click on app, now I can see Dsers in my Shopify store. So I'm going to quickly create an account over here in front of you guys. So I'm going to click on create an account. And then after that, I will just give it a few moments. And now it's going to take me over here. So now you guys can click on get started on the free plan. So I'm going to put in an email. So I'm going to put in this email over here. And then after that, I'm going to click on get started. So now from over here, click on link to AliExpress. And then after that, this is going to link itself to AliExpress, and you guys will be able to use Dsers with Shopify. So guys, that is how easy it is to add and use Dsers with Shopify on Shopify. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.